So hi, I'm Stephen from Smart Technologies, and I'm here to show you how you can join your TeamWorks contributor app to the whiteboard at the front of the room using ultrasonic pairing. So the way this TeamWorks is set up to emit a high-frequency ultrasonic signal going out into the room the moment that a whiteboard session starts. All I need to do is click on Join Meeting with my contributor app, and if you notice here at the top, there's a bit of a indication that it's listening for the right authentication. It passes on the authentication, and immediately I've joined into the meeting. What I can do is I can add on any files or photos or any content that I want to share with folks within the meeting. It's immediately shared to them. And as well, any sort of content that they are writing on here, or anything you're doing in terms of doing markups on any of these objects or movement of those objects is immediately transferred between the whiteboard and this app. So this is the ease that ultrasonic pairing is.